Hello everyone. This printer is HP Laser 107W. I want to show you how to reset this printer to factory default setting. Switch the printer on from this button, then press and hold the Wi-Fi button for 20 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Then release it. Then wait, and you will see that the Wi-Fi light is now flashing intermittently. It will show you a warning light on the power on button. So this is how to reset the printer so that you can go ahead and reconnect the printer to any particular network you prefer. This is how to reset the printer to factory default setting so that you can go ahead and reconnect the printer. Thank you very much indeed. This is applicable to HP Laser 103, 107, 108, etc. Thank you very much indeed.